A motorcyclist didn't just get angry on the road. He stopped in the middle of the CTE, argued, and then reversed into a car before riding off like nothing happened. This incident was caught on Dashcam on the 18th of March at around 6:12 p.m. The rider was first seen traveling in the third lane. He then cut into the second lane ahead of a car and slowed down. Moments later, he came to a full stop on the expressway. The driver behind had no choice but to brake and stop as well. The rider then turned around and started gesturing. He pointed at the driver, then pointed to his own eyes, repeating the motion several times. This went on for about 15 seconds. Then, instead of moving off, the rider slowly reversed his motorcycle. He backed straight into the front of the car. After that, he simply rode away. According to the driver, both parties had a near miss earlier. The driver said they were merging lanes and had checked their mirrors. At the same time, the motorcyclist was allegedly moving at high speed and also trying to enter the same lane. That moment nearly caused a collision. The driver avoided it. But the rider appeared upset, which led to this confrontation. Now here's what's not so obvious. Stopping on an expressway is already dangerous. But deliberately reversing into another vehicle could cross into more serious legal territory. In Singapore, this could be investigated as a traffic offence or even a rash act. And if intent is proven, it may go beyond just a simple accident. There's another detail that raises more questions. The driver later checked the motorcycle's road tax. It was allegedly expired as of the 9th of March. That means the vehicle may not have been legally allowed on the road at the time. Using a vehicle with expired road tax can result in fines of up to $2,000. And that's separate from any other offences. What makes this case stand out is not just the argument. It's the escalation. A near miss is common on busy roads. But choosing to stop, confront, and then reverse into a vehicle adds a layer of risk that affects everyone nearby. This isn't just about two people. It's about what happens when emotions take over in high-speed environments. We've seen more dashcam cases like this in recent years. Conflicts that start small but quickly turn into dangerous situations. And every time it happens, other drivers are pulled into that risk without warning. The issue may not just be the incident itself, but how easily a moment of frustration can turn into a public safety problem. Because on an expressway, there is no safe space to argue. Every second counts. So here's the question. If someone reacts like this on a major road, should penalties be stricter to prevent repeat behaviour? Like, share and subscribe to 2230.